Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Are you bothered about the spacing present between your teeth? Or are you reluctant in smiling while uploading pictures on Facebook or Instagram? So here is the solution to all your problems. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Alice Punia, consultant endodontist and cosmetic dentist at Dr. Sachin Mittal's Advanced Dentistry. So today let us talk in detail about the spacings that are generally encountered by most of our population. So spacing, what is a spacing, or it's a scientific term is diastema. So diastema is any spacing that is present between any of your teeth. Now what is midline diastema? As specified by the name itself, that is midline. So the spacing which is present in the midline diastema, that is, if this is your arch and these are the two central incisors, the space present between two central incisors is known as midline diastema. So throwing some light more on this topic, let us know the causes of it. So the first cause could be the inter-arch tooth length discrepancy. Now I don't think this term could get to any of you all, but then let's discuss. See, if this is an arch and if the size of the tooth is smaller or there is some absence of tooth, that can lead to a spacing between your central incisors or any of your teeth. So this can be the probable cause of the spacings. Now the second could be if there is an outward placement of your teeth. That is called as protrusion. Now protrusion can also happen because of the habits such as thumb sucking, which are generally encountered by the children all over the world. So also the third reason could be if there is any infection that is present in the front teeth or any of your teeth, that can also sometimes lead to the spacings. So having said that, do not worry, these causes can be removed and it is also treatable. So let us come on to the treatment plans. Now the treatment plans could be a composite restoration, or there could be a laminate or a veneer, or the third treatment option could be the ortho treatment, that is the braces treatment. Now let's come one by one. What is a composite restoration? A composite restoration is a material that is a tooth colored filling. When done, it can take a contour of the tooth and specifying the arch form and the alignment of the tooth, relieving you from the spacing that are present. So now composite restoration is a tooth colored material that can be done, which can remove all your spacings and give you a perfect smile. But then there is an advanced treatment plan that can also be followed. The second treatment plan, which we already just discussed, is laminate or veneers. Now what is a laminate or a veneer? How can all the Bollywood stars get a perfect smile and you can't? So it is also at your doorstep, it is not away from you. So the laminate and veneers, it is just a thin covering or a thin shell of a 0.5 mm width, which can be laid down on your tooth. Now this covering can remove all your spaces and can create a perfect Bollywood smile. Now you are no less or no away from the perfect Bollywood smile. So you can also get that just through the laminate and veneers. Now the third treatment option is the orthodontic treatment, that is the braces treatment. Now what is the braces treatment? You think you look ugly, but no. We can also apply the braces that can be not seen, or we can also use the Invisalign treatment. But ortho treatment is only done when there is an advanced stage of spacings, like very much high spacings present between your teeth and is not being able to cover up by the laminates or veneers. Otherwise, laminates and veneers and composite restorations or fillings, these are your short-term plans that can be done in a week or so. So you can get a perfect smile within a week. But yes, in an ortho treatment, it could take a longer time. So please, all of you guys, select wisely with your dentist, visit your dentist, talk to him, discuss him or her about your reasons or the causes or the problems that you're facing while smiling, and you can get a perfect smile with the wise decision that you take. Thank you so much.